Hey guys, what's going on? It's GP here, and welcome back to Plants vs. Zombies 2. So if you remember in the last episode, we have officially begun the Wild West era for this game, and we're going to be continuing forward. We recently unlocked 2 new plants, as well as Split Pea. We got Chili Bean, and we got Pea Pod. Last episode we ended with unlocking Pea Pod, so in today's episode we're going to start by showing him off. And I think we got another plant destined up ahead. Yes, indeed. We're going to be going to level 12. And of course, if you guys like what you see, and you want to see more Plants vs. Zombies or Plants vs. Zombies 2 on the channel, be sure to absolutely demolish that like button. Absolutely crush it! And, yeah, I think that's all I'm going to ask for you guys. If you're new or old, it's up to you guys what you do from there. But, yeah, alright. Zombie tipping is best done from the side. Oh boy. I'll try and tip a cow from behind. Okay, we got a lot of ponchos. No prospector, so I don't need the split pea. Also no piano, so we're fortunate there. Just a bunch of ponchos. So a lot of chances of getting iron grates. We're gonna get the pea pod, obviously. Let me grab my Explodinut. Well, I do have a new plant, but I don't think I'll be sharing it just yet. But just to show off, I unlocked the concealment, boosts shadow plants. And, well, there aren't really any shadow plants this early in the game, let's just say. So, we'll hold out for this one for a little while longer. But what else should we get? Let me think about this. We'll go with Grape Shot here. I've got a lot of other plants as well with the plant boosts. Let's grab Squash again, rally him up. Iceberg Lettuce. Gonna grab our Kernel Pult, and we'll rent out this slot for one more. So what shall we grab? Let's grab the Chili Bean. Yeah, actually we'll price the Squash. We'll use them in the next one, and still get Gold Bloom. For a few obvious reasons. Okay. So, here we go. Start setting down our sunflower, and I turned up the volume. Hopefully you guys can hear the music this time. The catchy tune. Just playing along. There's Gold Bloom. Got you. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start by putting down a pea pod. Now, you might be wondering, why is there only 1 pea when in the image it shows 5? Well, we shall get to that soon. It's a pea pod for a reason, you guys. Might as well set one up front as well. Then, perfectly placed, I'd say. Alright, this is pretty good, because I can move these guys wherever I need to. So now, the whole point of pea pod is that there's empty slots. It's one of the plants you can fill in, tap on it again, once you've got another pea pod selected, and now it has 2. So yeah, and you can just keep filling in until you've got 5. That's the reason I got the Gold Bloom, so I can get enough sun to get 2 pea pods worth. So now it's got 3 peas in this pod. Very, very nice. Let's get this last Kernel Pult placed. Oh, we need you down here, actually. Let me see. We need more Explodonuts as well, and I'll set down a Chili Bean here. I feel like that might help us out. Alright. None of you start falling asleep on me just yet. So let's plant on this pea pod. Take this one in the top out. Another Explodinut. Perfect. Now, this pea pod is starting to look more proper, I'd say. Yes, indeed. Oh, there's a lot coming along, isn't there? Ooh, move you down. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's see. And there we go. That is our full pea pod right there. Complete. Of course, it is pretty expensive to do like a full row of these, so I'm glad I got the mine carts for this one. You guys can probably see my planning here. That way I don't need to plant multiple. I can just move you wherever I need to and then just let loose. Alright. That's the last Explodinut. Let's set down a Chili Bean right here. Let's use a Chili Bean plant boost, why don't we? And actually, one thing I haven't done yet, let's use pea pods plant food, as you see here. Very awesome. And as you'd expect, it will shoot 5 giant peas at its target. Which is now no more at this rate. Splendid. Very, very nice. Now let's get our second full pea pod. Here we go. Now we're talking. Let's use Grape Shot up top. I'll take care of those guys chewing on my Exploding Nut. We don't need that just yet, do we now? Let's set up some chili beans as well. Oh, that worked. Oh boy, chili bean. Finally, oh my god, that's so many chili beans. Let's flash freeze the whole field briefly. Okay. Let's get that one guy taken care of at the bottom. And I'd say quite successful indeed. Oh man, they're both down. Awesome. Oh my god, chili beans, work your magic. Just work your magic, chili beans. I'm just leave it up to them for now. Ah, no, don't want that. Alright. Take him down. Alright, splendid. Oh, did not mean to put Peapod up there. Chill out. Alright, very, very nice. Oh, his grid is gone. Go ahead. I dare you to finish that. Oh, fantastic. Chili bean. Okay, what is this? A note. I think we're gonna see what it says. Delicious brain meat wanted. Reward of $500 US. We have the money, really. Sheriff Hat Guy. Interesting. Oh, brains are outlawed. That's some plot development. Play dumb. Follow your lead. Okay, so. Yeah. Very, very interesting. Brains are outlawed. So that means we shouldn't even be in this town then. Or wherever we are. Ah, Zomboss. Greetings, Plant Rustler. Agents are arriving to mark your brains as my property. Salutations. I think they found us out. It took forever to get him clean. He doesn't want him marked. Survive without any lawnmowers. That's a first. Oh my, that's a giant iron. That's a branding. Okay, we got our pea pods. Good start. Walnuts. They're level 5, and they got the plant food, so we should be good here. Let's move you down, Wind. I'll save the chili bean for now. There we go. 3 peas in a pod. Let's get that placed. Splendid. Move on up. Can we make that 4? Nice. We got 4 peas in a pod. 5. Can we make it 5? Boom. I'm not an auctioneer. I don't know why I'm doing that. Okay. Yeah, these guys don't stand a chance. Let's get our second one down. Okay, let's plant the chili bean on the bucket head. Alright, you guys don't stand any chances with my pea pods here. Oh, splendid, splendid. Take out this cone head down here. Will the chili bean work as magic on the bucket head? Oh boy. We'll do it for this one as well. Let's move this pea pod up top. Ah, I feared it is a grid. But with my pea pod, that shouldn't be any problem, I believe. And we have all of our iron gridded walnuts. Iron shell. Very, very nice. Let's add 4 to you. Now let's see what lies behind this poncho. Alright, just a normal zombie. Take him down. Oh boy. Let's see how we do with these. I'll get my chili beans ready though. And let's get our third pea pod getting up. That's what I'm talking about. Keep this chili bean here. On that cart. Oh boy, good thing I placed the chili bean in the middle there. Okay. I know, I need this. We better moving these. Alright, I've got all my pea pods. All three of them at least. Let's move you down there. Okay, split pea, true. The prospectors are going to be coming in eventually. I need to be very, very cautious about that. Don't I? That's 2 split peas. Fantastic. Let's use chili beans, plant food boost. Let's make more of you. Let's bring you down there. Oh my lord. We got our first prospector up top. And there's one down here. Good thing I got 2 split peas then. Alright, I'd say this is working very well. Let's use these pea pods up in the back. We can at least have some ammunition on all cylinders, all lines. Oh, here he comes, the big guy. Let's use the plant food on this pea pod then. It doesn't do much, it can help. Ah, I forgot to move my chili bean. Shoot. That's not what I wanted. Split pea. Split pea is especially going to come in handy with the thrown imps as well, I'd say. Oh boy. Awesome! That worked a charm with the split pea boost. Awesome. Let's get all of our split peas now. Here we go. Now we're talking. We're getting more pea pods as well. Let's put down our chili beans. Okay. Let's see here. Let's do these ones. Split peas go. Oh dear. Actually, one of my walnuts was broken through. That is not good at all. Quick. Plant food. I'm gonna move you down there and use you there as well. I totally forgot I didn't have any lawnmowers. So quite a shocker. And split peas go. Boom! That's what I'm talking about. Awesome! Another hat for the collection, I dare say. See what good we got in here aside from some nice gold. Pea pod seeds. Very nice. Melon pulp seeds. Also very, very nice. Alright, we're going to continue forward then, I suppose. So we did that. Oh, looks like we can unlock this one now. Lost City. All 5 new plants in this one. Splendid. Alright, back to the Wild West we go then. And we're about to unlock a new plant, actually. Real quick. Let's go back to my Zen garden because I've used up some of these plant food boosts. So long walnut and, the other one. We have sapling and split pea here. Awesome. Let's lower the time for the sapling to grow. And now let's do this next level and get the final new plant of this set of this stage in this game. Because I said chili bean was the last, but I forgot that there's usually 3 new plants for these. These plants are mine. Oh, they're for the mine. Carts. Mine carts. Okay, survive with the given plants. Got it. What are you going to give us? So this is another time paradox thing, if we don't do this right. Ooh! I'm seeing those. Man, one of those is expensive as heck, though. I don't know if I'll get one. But we've already got one of our new plants here, so I might as well showcase him. I believe this is Lightning Reed. So let's go ahead and set him down. Alright, working a charm. So we got another electric plant that we're going to be unlocking by the end of this level. At least I hope we will be. Set down the walnuts. Okay. Of course, let's get some more of these lightning reeds, I believe they were called. Splendid. And then there's another plant, one we won't be getting till the very end. Chili bean up top. Immediately, just work on that. Boom. Alright, spectacular. Yep, working his magic. Okay, we got one of you in the middle. Trying to figure out which one you are. I have the chili bean ready. Grid, chili bean go. Alright, I got my split peas ready for in case we have any prospectors come in. Oh yeah, if you weren't green already, then you certainly are now, buddy. Alright. Let's see if we can get one of the things at the bottom. So this is another plant that was just like the same boat as the... oh, there's one of the prospectors up top. There we go. So this is another plant that was in the same case as, the spike rock and the twin sunflower. Ones that were originally meant to be upgrades. We have the winter melon. None of you really saw this one now, I'm pretty certain. Use that. Oh boy, I'm about to lose a plant. You know what? Winter melon. Use that. Spectacular. I believe we should be unlocking winter melon near the end as well, so we'll see how this goes. You guys already saw it's plant food. It's similar to the melon pulse, except it shoots the wintry melons, obviously. I'm gonna save the electric dudes for the end, for when I get them though. Not for this match. Chili beans. I need chili beans to use. Okay, one more split pea as well. Here we go. Plant food that chili bean. Get him to work his fine magic. Need one more walnut, and I think we're set. Let's use that there. Bring this chili bean down to this guy. Okay. Absolutely spectacular. Oh yeah, let's put him down here with this grid poncho zombie. There we go. Okay, we're making it work. So let's do one more send off with winter melon, why don't we? Awesome. Nice. We don't even have the normal melon pulled yet, actually. Whatever, let's just drop you down there. Chili bean, work your magic. Take him out. Well, it didn't work. You guys kind of overkilled a little. But that is alright. And as expected, we have unlocked this new plant that we just used. Let's check it out a bit closer, why don't we? So we have the lightning reed. Zaps several chickens or zombies per strike. You guys might be wondering why it says chickens. You guys will see very soon. But we do indeed now have lightning reeds. That was the last new plant of this Wild West section. Let's grab that and let's see. More pea pod seeds and some seeds for lightning reed, who I'm going to need to level up. Awesome. Very nice. Looks like I've also done that too. Give me those nice gems for collecting those seed packets. Okay, Zen Garden time. I don't think we use any plant food boosts. We did not. Okay, so moving forward with lightning reed. Only 3 levels left to do here, no problem. We will get another plant at the end of this one too, I believe. So yeah, that's what it was talking about for lightning reed. So no prospector, so I don't need the split bee again. Let's grab my sunflower, my exploded nut. I'm gonna grab pomegranate for this one. Oh lord. Okay, like I said, we're gonna grab squash, chili bean. We need lightning reed for certain this time around. What else can we use? Iceberg lettuce we can grab, I'd say. I feel like we should at least have one more. let's go for... Who else should we add? Alright, call it a little bit overkill, but I'm gonna try to opt for Sticky Bomb Rice in this one. We'll see how this goes. A very, very strong plant. So let's get our sunflower set down immediately. And when the time comes, lightning reeds. I'm gonna need them for certain. With what's coming up. There's a reason why I dread the word chicken in this game, and you guys will find out soon enough why it is one of the most dreaded words for me here. Okay. Give me a lightning reed. Here we go. Sweet. Yeah, let's set them down right here. Pretty certain the distance doesn't matter between them. I have this chili bean. Yeah, let's give him the chili bean. Set down another lightning reed because I need this desperately. Okay. Let's get a third one. As you can see, they do attack in separate lanes, kind of like the Sticky Bomb Rice. Or the other ones that hit in lanes of 3, like Melon Pulps, Apple Mortars. And I believe they do chain together as well when zombies are close together as well, so that's really useful as well. I just need one more lightning reed now. Come on. Might as well start setting up. Oh boy. Here we go. You're about to see the bane of my existence here. All the chickens. Lightning reed is exceptionally useful against that. Oh boy. How many more chicken zombies are we going to be getting, huh? Oh, there's one up top. Right. Let's go ahead and grab Sticky Bomb Rice and let's get our first one set down. Keep on lobbing ahead. Very, very, very nice. Let's get Explode-A-Nut, Chili Bean. Use the plant food on Chili Bean here. Very, very good. Sticky Bomb Rice. Oh my god, these chickens. Just no thank you, please. Alright. More Explode-A-Nuts, please. Some of them are turned into little chicken buckets. It's actually kind of funny. I have to admit. Pomegranate. Yeah, let's use pomegranate. See if we can use one more Sticky Bomb Rice. Set her down. I did not mean to press that. And then grab the coin. There we go. Ooh. Lots of money there. So much for me using squash in this one. The lightning reeds are very effective. Regardless, though, worked a charm. Not looking forward to more chickens, though, that's for certain. Thanks for the help, Sticky Bomb Rice. Appreciate greatly. And sorry I didn't get to use you like I hoped, Squash. Spring Bean. Interesting. So I don't expect I'll be using you anytime soon, little friend. And of course, another marigold. That's very nice. Very swell. Right, next one. Let's go in. Let's see what we all need. Spend no more than 500 sun. Ooh, we have a limiter. Okay. No need for lightning reed here. So, what can we do then? I can make use of the gold bloom. The iceberg lettuce. Those two can be put to use here. For certain. What else? Let's go with ghost pepper. I need someone who's cheap that can also attack. Explode-A-Nut, of course. I'll be using that. Shrinking violet. I'm thinking real cheap here too, by the way, you guys. So, yeah. Chili bean should help. Now a cheap attacker. It's been a while, still I'll go with my level 5 cabbage pult. That should prove some use, I'd imagine. Is there anything else I could add or I want to add? I think we're pretty good with what we got. So let's move along, little doggies. Alright, gold bloom. Got all this sun. Gotta be careful about spending it. So I'm gonna start with the cabbage pult. Fortunately, there aren't any real zombies that are gonna cause us trouble here. So that's something to be fortunate about. So first cabbage pult goes here. I just realized each one of those is 100, so oh boy. Okay. Not quite what I was hoping. Oh dear, this could be a problem indeed. Chili bean. Oh my, this is gonna be an issue, isn't it? I've got all this sun, but it's gonna be very easy to let it go. Thanks to this cabbage pult right here. I should have put him in the minecart, that way I could have moved him. I just pulled one of the biggest, dumbest moves ever. You know what, Ghost Pepper? Just get out here, please. Thank you. Explode a nut. Man. I didn't do much proper thinking. I could put chili bean here and just use plant food for you as well, couldn't I? Explode nut's gonna blow. Alright. I gotta cross paths with my Ghost Pepper, and she should take you out if the chili bean doesn't. Oh, that's right, you have to be in the same row as Ghost Pepper. I remember now. Alright, chili bean, do your thing. Nice. That'll never not be funny, I swear. Okay, yeah, now they're walking to Ghost Pepper's lane, so yeah. You guys in that lane are in trouble. Let's set up, Ghost Pepper up top. Oh yes, final wave. Sweet. Okay. So I'm gonna do here, iceberg lettuce to freeze them all. I'll set down one more Ghost Pepper for that, and then cabbage pult. Seal the deal. Woo! Alright, we managed to make do despite my, mistakes. Very good. Just managed to slip on by. Very, very grateful for it, too. Of course, we get another shovel perk for this one. Get an additional 25% of sun cost back when shoveling up plants. Awesome! So we can go back to the Zen Garden because Ghost Pepper has helped us out greatly. Thank you very much. Who's coming in next? Another marigold. I mean, let's keep getting money this way. But alas, we have reached the final level for today's episode, so let's hit it good. And we've got one more plan to unlock here as well, so let's do this. What have we got for challenges today? Okay. Another corral. So it looks like it's gonna have to be next episode to see Lightning Reed's plant food. My bad, everybody. So Bloomerang is gonna go in the middle. Yes. I mean, where else would it go, right? Okay. And Bracer and my Bloomerangs are pretty high level too, so... Yeah, there he goes. It's been a while since we've seen Bloomerang, so that's a nice change of pace. Lightning Reed, oh boy. Let's set this one up here. So they're coming in. Yep, and it's electrocuting both of them at the same time. Very helpful. Chain lightning, they say, right? Might as well get my Bloomerang down the bottom as well. Spectacular. Moving by slowly, we got a lot to cover still. Okay, more Bloomerangs, I see. I'll set one up here then, and move you up top. Alright, take them out, fellas. Bang. Just like that. Wrapped up. I'll be taking that Bloomerang back into our coach. Or the Boomerang, at least. Lightning Reed, we're gonna put you up top here. Hopefully this should work well. Yes, it is! The chain lightning is working just as I hoped it would. Awesome work, Lightning Reed. Let's move this Bloomerang back to the middle. Dunzo. Next Bloomerang is gonna go... Oh. Got a cone head up top. Yeah, I think I'll put him up here and move this Bloomerang down here. This should hopefully be the best approach. Then when I'm done with him, I can move him up if need be. Well, these lightning reeds are doing real good jobs. Okay. Take him out, please. There we go. Come on, little lightning reed that could. You got this, buddy. I knew you could do it. Awesome. Another one. Alright. I suppose we'll put this one in the middle then. Let's rock this. Looks like we're halfway through. Oh, a little bit over halfway now. So I think what I'll do then, I'll use Lightning Reed's plant food at the end then. Looks like we will get to use it today. Amazing. Oh, you're having trouble, aren't you? Come on, Bloomerang. Give him a boost. Oh boy. It's gonna cut it close. Just in time. Ooh. Too close for comfort, I must admit. Alright, so we'll set up our next Bloomerang in front of this guy then, seeing how difficult that was for him. Set this one, move it down. Guide these corrals. Oh, there we go, they're done. They're donezo. So bring this Bloomerang up to the bucket head then. The Lightning Reeds can handle the rest. Yep, just as I figured. Any moment now. Oh dear. That was troubling. But we still got it. Another Lightning Reed, eh? I suppose I can put you... Yeah, let's place you here. Now we got zombies in all rows. Lightning Reeds are working their chain lightning magic, which is just fantastic. Let's move this Bloomerang up to the bucket head now and let them finish the job. Come on. Any moment now. Yeah, he's down. Out of here. Bye-bye. And now last Bloomerang I'll be putting down. Oh, I already sent them out. This doesn't look like the final wave though, so that's good. I'll just leave this up to the Lightning Reeds. They can handle this one. Just as I hoped. And that looks like the final wave. Indeed. Set the final Lightning Reed here. Now let's use this plant food. Wait for them all to come out. And as you guys will see here, he will conjure up a cloud that will just deal lightning damage. So it is kind of similar to the electric blueberry. Except, yeah, it's just very similar to electric blueberry. What else can I say? And with that, we have finally gotten another familiar face back on our list. And we've gotten our Melon Pult back. As expensive as it is, does heavy damage to groups of zombies. At long last. Also, I didn't level up Lightning Reed, did I? Well, might as well do it with Melon Pult then. We got another Pinata for getting our Melon Pult back. Lightning Reed gains more seeds. And Melon Pult is also ready to level up. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and exit the map, and let me power up these two plants we have now. Alright, here we go. So, Lightning Reed level up. Toughness damage, and Zombie zapped. Oh, that's awesome. So, he's only a level 2. Let's see how far Melon Pult gets, why don't we? Toughness, recharge, and damage go up. Okay. So, you can still be upgraded. Sun cost has gone down, so that's nice. It's gone to only 300. I appreciate that a lot. And that's all. So we got a level 3 Melon Pult and a level 2 Lightning Reed. Fantastic. Thank you all for doing this episode of Plants vs. Zombies 2. By the next episode, let's see. I think we should be... There's some more goods this way, of course. I only imagine it'll get more challenging though as we go further down. The Wild West is where the challenging stuff begins after all, as you guys can tell. Like we'll be getting one new plant by the end of the next episode, so that should be fun. Check out my second channel in the description below if you guys are interested in seeing stuff I do that's non-game related. Also be sure to share this video with other people, your friends, anyone you know, any communities. Spread the word that I'm here to entertain for every age, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay gold, my friends, and bye-bye!